do it. Today I'm going to show you how to bake a cake in a mug. It's very simple and delicious. So let's get baking. Let's look at the ingredients that you will need for making the mug cake. 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking powder. These are the dry ingredients. Next, the wet ingredients, that are half a cup milk, half teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon butter, or you can also use oil. Next, mix all the ingredients. You can mix it in the mug itself, but I'm using a bowl for it because it will be much more easier for me. Let's put the dry ingredients into it. Now mix it properly. Now we can put the wet ingredients. The milk you can put little by little. Mix it properly because there should not be any lumps in it, or else your mug cake will become a tragedy. The mix is ready and it's very smooth. Let's pour it into the mug. I'm using a microwave safe mug. Okay, next step, let's put it in the oven. My oven takes 20 minutes for baking this cake, but your oven might only take 2 minutes, 5 minutes. It's up to your oven. So let's bake the cake. The cake is ready. Now we can decorate it. You can decorate it only if you want. I'm using some whipped cream and sprinkles. Let's put some sprinkles. Okay, it looks good, but to check if it's tasty, let's call on the taster. Wow, it looks tasty, but you have to check it out. Also try. It's way better than I expected. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's do it, and also provide your valuable comments. Ayyo,